Welcome to a hotel that perfectly balances comfort, quality, and affordability for an exceptional stay. Guests consistently praise its modern yet welcoming ambiance, making it a highly recommended choice for travelers seeking a hassle-free experience. The overall impression is one of great value, where the price perfectly aligns with the quality of service and amenities provided. A standout feature frequently highlighted in guest reviews is the truly amazing breakfast, offering a delightful start to your day with a wide array of options to suit every palate. The hotel prides itself on its very friendly staff, who go above and beyond to ensure guests feel welcomed and well cared for throughout their visit, providing attentive and efficient service. Cleanliness is another strong point, with rooms and common areas consistently described as sparkling clean, offering a refreshing environment. While some facilities might show signs of age, they remain perfectly functional and well maintained, contributing to the hotel's charm and character. Rooms, though noted by some as being quite small, are designed with simplicity and cleanliness in mind, providing a comfortable and tidy space for rest. The hotel also offers convenient amenities such as a lovely pool area, which, although seasonal, adds a touch of luxury, and a highly appreciated laundry service, making longer stays much more convenient. Minor points such as a window not closing perfectly, leading to slight insulation issues, are occasionally mentioned but do not detract significantly from the overwhelmingly positive experience reported by the majority of guests. This hotel offers a solid choice for those prioritizing cleanliness, friendly service, excellent breakfast, and overall great value in a comfortable setting.